Ever wondered what the future of food looks like? Forget everything you know about traditional farming. We're entering a zero-waste, AI-powered sugar sanctuary where lasers harvest and drones run the show. No noise, no mess, just an oddly satisfying loop of sugarcane becoming liquid gold. From titanium rollers to UV purification, this isn't just a factory, it's a mechanical masterpiece. Look at that clarity. Every drop is filtered through UV light for peak purity. Thickening into golden lava, sensors monitoring every single second for that perfect density. Stay with me for this part, and the geometric drop is a total brain massage you can't miss.
Precision packaging at its finest. From the field to this block, the cycle never stops.
The machines are keeping the sweetness flowing. Hit that like and subscribe to keep the magic spinning.
A horizon of green, silent and sleek.
No noise, just precision lasers slicing through the mist with robotic perfection. High-pressure water jets, stripping away the grime in a split second. Pure and clean. Massive titanium rollers, turning stalks into raw, golden essence with clockwork rhythm. UV light and crystal clear pipes. We're removing every impurity for that diamond-like shine. Controlled steam, no fire, bubbling like golden lava under the watchful eye of AI sensors. Zero waste. Every drop of steam is recycled, while the syrup hits that perfect golden brown hue. The geometric drop, robotic nozzles filling molds with zero error. This is peak satisfaction. A blast of cold air, a vacuum grip. Identical, smooth blocks ready for the world. From field to block, the cycle never ends. An infinite, golden flow of sweetness.
The machines never tire of making sweetness. Hit like and subscribe to keep the magic spinning.